Welcome back to Auto Axis, your go-to channel for all things automotive. In today's video, we're diving into the Pontiac LeMans, a car that holds a unique place in automotive history. This classic American car has undergone several transformations over the years, and we're going to break down its features, specs, and performance in detail. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or just curious about vintage rides, this review will give you everything you need to know about the Pontiac LeMans. Starting with the design, the Pontiac LeMans has always been a head-turner. Its styling evolved significantly over the years, especially during the muscle car era. Early models had a more conservative look, but by the late 60s and early 70s, the LeMans was known for its bold, aggressive appearance. Sharp lines, a wide stance, and that unmistakable Pontiac front grille gave it a distinctive look. Many enthusiasts loved the coupe's two-door configuration, which added to its sporty appeal. The interior was comfortable and practical for its time, offering a blend of simplicity and functionality. When it comes to performance, the Pontiac LeMans did not disappoint, especially in its GTO variant. It came with a variety of engine options over the years, ranging from inline sixes to powerful V8s. The most popular engine was the 389 cubic inch V8, which delivered impressive horsepower and torque, making it a formidable car on the road. Paired with either an automatic or manual transmission, the LeMans offered a great driving experience. Its rear-wheel drive layout, coupled with a solid suspension system, provided excellent handling and stability, particularly for the high-performance models. The later models also offered better braking and upgraded suspension, making them more reliable for daily driving and spirited cruising. In terms of features, the LeMans didn't come loaded with the technology we see today, but it had what was considered advanced at the time. Power steering and power brakes were among the most notable features, making the car easier to drive and control. Air conditioning became available in later models, adding to the comfort factor. Some models also featured bucket seats and a center console, which added a sportier touch to the interior. The focus was more on performance and style rather than luxury, and this is what gave the LeMans its charm. The LeMans underwent several changes in later years, and by the mid-1970s, it had moved away from its muscle car roots to become more of a mid-size car aimed at family use. While it may not have the same cachet as some of its contemporaries like the GTO, the Pontiac LeMans remains a beloved classic, especially for those who appreciate its role in the golden era of American muscle cars. Thanks for tuning into Auto Axis. If you enjoyed this review of the Pontiac LeMans, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth car reviews, specs, and features. Stay tuned for more automotive content, and we'll see you in the next video.